it marks that we must be doing something right.
I think it means we've created a legacy of success, really. I don't think any law firm or any business can be around for 50 years without doing things the right way.
A lot of law firms, their names will change depending on the level of partnership. But the reason that we'll never change our name is it's a name that people know, that people trust. And that's something that is always in the back of my mind, when I practice law, when I'm in the community.
I think the thing I want them to know is that when they call, they're going to speak to an attorney. They're not going to be shuffled off to staff members. And that attorney is going to be the main source of contact throughout their claim. So if I have a client, they're going to deal with me. And I'm going to return their phone calls, I'm going to return their emails, I'm going to keep them informed every step of the way.
Because when something like this happens, your life has been upended. You want to speak with somebody who's knowledgeable and experienced, and you want to speak with them immediately. So I think that's something that I would love for people to understand is when you call our firm, you're going to get that right away.
Well, the most common complaint I hear from folks who may call who are being represented by another attorney and are not happy is that lack of communication. They'll reach out, no one calls them back, they never hear from the attorney, they don't know what's going on with their case. There's no excuse for that.
One of the values that I knew my father always had, this is the kind of business that you have to be a fighter. He said, Josh, anybody can settle a case. Not many people can try it and show an insurance company what a true value of the case is worth. He would present the trial list to those people who would come in and want second opinions. And he would slide the trial list over and say, how many times do you see my name on the upcoming trial list? And maybe you're down and count. And how many times do you see your current lawyer's name? Well, I don't see it at all. What does that tell you? You have to be willing and unafraid.
You only get one chance to establish a reputation, and that gets established early on in your career. People know who they're dealing with pretty quickly, and I've always tried to take that approach, and it pays dividends, really. I think when you're honest with people, it goes a long way to successful outcome.
I live here, I eat here, I pray here. This is my community, and reputation is everything in not only this profession, but this community as well. To see another 50 years, you got to keep the work ethic just as hard as we have been for the last 50.